Hey, what's going on? It's Paul Motley here, and we're going to do the jazz hands for a start. But also, I want to welcome you to day number 1 of this live training. So, just want to do some quick housekeeping stuff to start with. Let me know if you can hear me by typing a 1 in the chat. So, we're just going to wait until we get a few ones in there. Yep, I can see the ones coming in also as well. Let me know where you're coming in from as well. So, I'd like to find out where my audience is and where everyone's from. I'm right here in the UK right now, so just let me know. Who have we got coming up? Yeah, we've got a bunch of people coming, and I can see Nigel here is in Bedford. We've got Emily here from Calgary, and a bunch of other ones coming in. Awesome. Right, so as I said before, my name is Paul Motley. I am in the UK. I'm an affiliate marketer. So let me just explain what affiliate marketing is real quick, because there is something which a lot of people misunderstand when it comes to affiliate marketing. But before we go deep into that, I just want to explain me and where I'm coming from. So basically, I've run my own business for 24 years, and I sold the business, and now I am a full-time affiliate marketer. So I have been able to score high in some really good contests, so hit top 10s in several launches. Also qualified for the ClickFunnels Dream Car Award as well. So those of you who don't know what ClickFunnels is, it is a sales funnel platform, and when you hit 100 sales, they will give you a $500 bonus on top of your regular commissions to get yourself a car with. So that was super cool as well. So let's get into it. Let's find out what exactly affiliate marketing is, because I know a lot of people are confused about that term. So I just want to make sure you understand that it is not network marketing. It is not multi-level marketing. It is something completely different. So if you were to go onto the internet right now and have a look at somewhere else called Amazon, for example, I'm going to show you real quick. So let's put the screen on. You are going to see all the good stuff that Amazon does. But if you scroll right to the bottom, so we're going to hit right to the bottom here, you are going to see this thing that comes up here. So you can actually become an affiliate with Amazon. So you get to partner with one of the biggest companies out there in the world right now, and they will pay you up to like 10% for what you sell or you help them sell on their platform, right? So I'm talking about physical products, right? This is not like pie in the sky stuff. This is real. It's happening every single day. So let's have a look at another site that you might recognize, something called Target, right? So if you're in the States, you know what Target is. And if you scroll again all the way to the bottom, let's go. Where are we now? Advertise with us. No, we don't want to advertise with them. Affiliates and partners, right? Just right down there on the screen. And again, you can partner with Target as well. So affiliate marketing is legitimate. It's out there. People are using it right now. And whether it's coming up to the holidays, whether it be a special occasion or whatever it is, people can make money by selling other people's products, and that essentially is affiliate marketing, right? So you are going to take your link for a product, put it in front of other people. If they go ahead and purchase it, you are going to get a commission, and that in a nutshell is what affiliate marketing is. So I've just jumped over to TikTok real quick and show you an example of how people actually do this with physical products. So I've just typed in the word phone case. So we're going to have a look at this video right here. So we're going to go to their profile. That's had 4.9 million people check it out, right? And what they're able to do is, just by using free traffic that they get from TikTok, is they're going to go ahead and put a link here. And if I click the link, guess what it takes me to? All right, so we're going to open that anyway. It's going to take me to a link to the physical product, right? So here we go, something here for 40 bucks. Now, if they sell that, they are going to get a product commission on that. Now, what's also cool as well is if it was their own product, then they make all the money. So there are those things called drop shipping out there, which this person might be doing. So which basically means they are buying something from the Far East or one of the drop shipping sites. So this could be a simple case of they have found a product which they think is going to really, really sell well. They've created videos about it and they've thrown up their link and hoping people are going to go ahead and buy it. So that is one way that people can make money. But of course, we're talking about affiliate marketing. So if people have links going out to their like Amazon, for example, or Target, they are going to get a commission on that sale just by doing that. Now, What I am doing is I'm actually looking at more digital products. Now, when we're talking about digital products, that might be software, it might be a coaching program or anything else like that. And the real advantage to doing something like that is the affiliate commissions tend to be way bigger, right? And I'm not talking about like 8 or 10%. I'm talking about 50%. I'm talking about 75%. In certain cases, even up to 100% as well. So you can actually make way more money by doing affiliate marketing, selling the same products that you can find on Amazon. And that's where it really gets interesting. But the main problem is most people look at it like this. They see, okay, right, you are going to get traffic. So maybe you're using TikTok to drive traffic, and you are going to send it to a product page. They're going to make a purchase and you get your commission, right? So that looks amazing, but there is a downfall. It's not a sustainable business. So what I want to be able to teach you how to do is actually grow assets within your own business so that you can make money going forward, not just off one sale, but going off multiple sales, and of course maximizing that in every single which way possible. So if you went out there and decided to become an affiliate marketer and you wanted to get some sort of help, or you wanted to go online, whether you go to YouTube or you buy someone's course about how to do affiliate marketing, this is kind of like how you're taught to do things. You are told to send traffic to an opt-in page. Now, what do I mean by an opt-in page? It means where people are going to go and give you their details, their email address in return for something. And quite often it tends to be something either like a PDF, a help guide, a how-to video, or some form of informational content in order to them opt in, right? And they're going to lead into a product, and then again the percentage of those people are going to go ahead and purchase it. You are going to get your commission, which is right here. And of course we always say, like, if you are looking at affiliate marketing seriously to go forward and really make a big difference to your income, then having something which is a high ticket price, right? And I'm talking like something that's like $500 that pays you 25 or 50%. So you could be looking at either $125 or $250 per sale, or up to $1,000, $2,000, or even $5,000 you can get those commissions for as well. Now, that's great. That will make an impact on you initially, but going forward, what I want you to try and do is concentrate on something called recurring income, right? We really don't know passive income because you always have to do something towards it. So I like to say it's recurring income, which means if it's a product or service which has a monthly cost to it, let's say it's an email service provider or some software that the customer has to pay each month for, then you are going to get a commission every single month that customer is a customer of the affiliate product, right? And that is where your money comes in, because it's going to grow over and over and over and over again. So you only have to sell the product once and you keep getting paid for it. That's super cool, right? But if we refer back to what we said, we were talking about having a asset, right? And I'm talking about this here. Let's highlight that. Let's highlight that real quick. Let's draw a shape. I want to draw a shape. I want to draw this shape. I can't draw the shapes. Why can't I draw the shapes? There we go. I'm going to draw a shape, which is your email list, right? And why is that so important? Because if all of a sudden all the traffic in the world disappeared, you are still going to have your email list, and that's super important. So we're going to teach you how to get traffic. We're going to teach you how to build your email list. We're going to teach you how to profit from that email list, and also how to maximize your profits from that email list as well. But that's all going to come tomorrow. So I want to make sure that you guys register in and make sure your mindset is right and ready for the training again tomorrow. But for now, this is me, Paul Motley. I am out.